Hey guys, it's me again, and today we're going to be talking about the M50 for as long as I can stand it. So this is an Avon M50. I think it was made about 2013. Um, as you can see by the stamp there, if you can't see it, don't worry, it doesn't really matter. Just believe me. So yeah, anyway, 2013 made Avon. This has been adopted by some areas of the U.S. Armed Services. I don't know if all of them. I had a friend go through Navy boot camp in the last 2 or 3 months, and he said that they've adopted them. So, you know, that's cool. Anyway, there's not a lot to say about it that you probably haven't already seen from someone else who owns one. So it was pretty simple. It's like someone took an M17 and tried really hard to unfuck it. You have self-sealing valves on the side, which is pretty cool. You have the cheek filters of the M17, but you can actually swap them out with taking the mask off. You've got this nice panoramic lens. You have these really shitty lens retainers on the side here, where you actually... Well, let me grab that clear outsert real quick. Pretend there's music or something playing right now. Shit. Nope, those are... Yeah, okay, don't have outserts, because go fuck yourself. Anyway, so yeah, there's these little shitty things. Holds together about as well as your cousin's fifth marriage. You know, you got a little fucking microphone port here, which I don't like this little flippy piece of shit. That seems fucking awful. Got a little drinking tube lever, just like everything else. I don't really know why we need that. I mean, ideally you just like take like a straw, like you know, they make metal Slurpee straws. So you get one of those, you put it in a lathe, and you put a sharp edge on one of the ends, and you just fucking stab it through the mask into your mouth. You know, if it goes through your cheek, it's still in your mouth. You know, it's gonna make a fairly good seal. Maybe put some JB weld around it, but you're gonna be okay. You don't need this fancy fucking flippy bullshit. There's not a single goddamn Davis mask that has a goddamn drinking tube. And you know what? No one complains. No one calls up Frank Rutledge Davis. I mean, he's dead, but no one calls him up and says, "Oh, hey, well, what if I get thirsty while wearing the mask?" It's like, well, stop being a little bitch. How about that? That's like step one for most problems is stop being a little bitch. You know, oh, I can't take off my mask in the hazardous environment. Yeah, you can. You're just being a little bitch. There's nothing stopping you. If you put it on, you can probably put it off. Someone chopped both your hands off, that's your fault for being a little bitch. Again, you just gotta not be a little bitch about these problems and stop paying some random British company a shit ton of money to fucking solve your problems for you, okay? Oh, my hair keeps getting caught. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Look at this stupid bullshit. This is overly complex. I mean, what is this shit? The fuck is this? You fucking... This is just like... I don't trust this. I don't fucking trust this dog shit. It's a decent mask, but then they just went too far with all of it. Why are there fucking bumps? This is goddamn... This ain't fucking Morse code. Is this like fucking lizard people speak or something? I don't fucking know. The inside is like almost decent. And I will admit, it is a comfortable mask, but I just can't wear it without being like, well, this is dog shit. Because we spent so much money on it. I mean, the SM90s are pretty cool. Well, we didn't spend a fucking dime on those, so I'm happier wearing them. So, yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's standard Avon bullshit, although I really think they should have just stuck to the FM12, which is, like, fundamentally perfect. This one is like, it's almost okay, and I know you guys can't see shit right now, but I also know that you don't care. Because if you're watching this video, you're probably considering buying one of these, but you're not going to listen to me anyway. You're going to buy one because you're that kind of person. And I know you are. And you're all the same. So you know what? You know, if you're going to buy one, then buy one. If you're watching this video to decide, maybe go find a video by someone who gives a shit. Because that's not me. Thank you.